Good day all and welcome back to the channel. I get asked this question, is it possible to extend my visa? Now let me unpack this question before I get to answering it. First and foremost, you'll need to check if you have a visa condition 8503, which stands for no further stay in your visa. In this video, I'll discuss how this condition can impact your prolonged stay when in Australia. If you are currently in Australia with the visa condition 8503, you must depart Australia or seek waiver under specific circumstances and be able to obtain another visa to stay longer. If your visa does not have a no further stay condition, you're eligible to lodge a new application with the department. Do note, there is no concept of renewing a visa. Every visa is treated as a fresh application and undergoes complete eligibility assessment. You will also need to meet the required criteria and legal obligations before it can be granted. Now, you might ask, how do I know this condition applies to me? This condition can be imposed depending on a specific visa. The department has discretion in imposing the same for certain temporary visas. The presence of an 8503 on a visa grant letter indicates this condition applies to you. It's important to note the condition remains effective until waived or your departure from Australia. Now you may ask, what is the impact to you if you have this condition? Individuals holding a visa with a no further stay condition cannot apply for a substantive visa other than a protection visa when in Australia. It's important to note the restrictions persist even if the visa with the condition has expired. Now you might be thinking, can I seek a waiver of the condition and apply for another visa? If there are compelling and compassionate circumstances beyond the visa holder's control, resulting in major changes, a waiver can be requested, but this needs to be approved to avoid breaching the condition of the visa. There are some circumstances where a waiver may be possible. This includes being unfit to travel, death or serious illness to a close family member, a natural disaster, or civil unrest in the home country. Now, some circumstances generally are not considered sufficient for the grant of a waiver. These include marriage to an Australian citizen, pregnancy, although some complications may be considered, deterioration of your existing illness when in Australia. Now let's look at the effect of a waiver and the further visa application. Even if a condition is waived, it doesn't guarantee subsequent visa approval. If the person becomes unlawful, I recommend applying for a bridging visa before requesting a waiver to the condition to avoid detention. And there you have it, some of the important considerations for you to understand with an 8503 condition. I recommend you consult a registered migration agent or an immigration lawyer before your visa expiry for guidance and understanding of the available options and potential barriers to applying for another visa. If you do require assistance with your matter or visa process, connect with us using the contact details on screen. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and updates. If you have any questions or experience to share, drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates and we'll see you in the next video.